session is about a pattern that walks down from the 4th scale degree towards the 1st. So imagine you are already in C major, playing anything. Now you want to start here and walk down with the bass. I'm saying start because it's not coming from anywhere, but it's starting actually like a phrase, which allows you to have 3rd and 5th as a first sonority. So let's now look at the voices. It's the 3rd can always or almost always go in parallel motion. So that's very easy to do. Just walking parallel thirds. Now, the other voice I mentioned is starting on the 5th. This obviously cannot go in parallel motion, but if you stay for the next note, you'll have a 6th. And the 6th, as we already saw earlier, can move along with the bass in parallel motion very easily. And here you see, can go back to C. So, this is 5th, 6th, parallel motion, and kind of arrive at the octave. So, the two voices. And the other way around works as well. You might want to add a little ornament. Or even what I did was, in the first case, I went, now I prepared for the 7th, emphasize it a bit, relax, and resolve the octave. If I combine this melody with a different bass, I get 5th, 6th, 7th, and I go down to the G and back. So basically this is this pattern with the two upper voices. If you, of course, you remember from the 1-to-1 session, you can go here like adding the 4th as well if you like. Now, after all, we were always in C major until now. We just started on the 4th scale degree, went down. Now this exactly same pattern you can kind of place in a you can place on a different starting point, which is when I did, and I think let's go start from C and walk down the same direction. So I get C, and I come here, I arrive here, and I do exactly the same thing as before, which I'll go an octave up, and I'll add the 3rd, that's quite obvious, isn't it? Now here is something interesting happening. I start on the 5th, this is 6th. Now, if I really want to be in the kind of same context as before within the pattern, I need to have F sharp on top. And this is what these two versions of the same pattern kind of show us in the context of key of tonic and dominant, which is again in C major. If I play anything, now I start here. I have still the grounded feeling of being in C major. As soon as I do this, I'm heading towards somewhere else, which is the key of the dominant, which is G major. Proof of which is if I start in G major, playing anything in G major, now I do this pattern. I still feel like very much at home in G major. So the essence of all this is that whenever you are in any key and you do this pattern, the 4-3-2-1 in C major, and you decide to go away from C major to the key of the dominant, which in classical music is the most popular option, you just play the very same thing you did. You play from here, and you can even just think in G major. So I had a little idea this morning that everybody knows this. You can study this. The fourth scale degree and come back adding cadence. Here is we could add a little thing is at this place, which would be